Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking and good working HyperDolphin Rechargeable LED headlamp. A headlamp is a really cool device because you have a hand-free living, but you can see in the night. That's really cool. We have here a headlamp with 5 light modes, and it's a lightweighter. Energy class A+++. The lightweight and the comfortable to wear this headlamp is designed to fit snugly on our head. In addition, it has a motion sensor that allows us to turn the light on and off by simply waving our hand, providing unparalleled convenience. The headlamp is rechargeable with a micro USB cable. It's also Type-C USB connectivity on the market. This makes it convenient and environmentally friendly. We no longer have to worry about dead batteries or something. The long-lasting battery provides a constant lighting when we need it. This headlamp is waterproof. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities, such as night running, fishing, cycling, camping, and hiking, and a lot of more stuff. And its 230 degrees lighting covers a wide area to ensure I never miss a detail in the spot. The headlamp uses a high brightness and a low consumption LED beads. This headlamp has so many different lighting modes that can be easily switched to meet our different needs in the dark. We seal the fitting structure will ensure IPX4 water resistance level, which can easily resist the rain and water splash. We use the USB charging cable, which can be connected with the charger, a mobile device, and a computer too, or a power bank, or an AC adapter, and so on. The HLP01, this is the headlamp's number, is specially designed for indoor and outdoor activities, such as camping, night jogging, cycling, emergency use, and so on. We have on the LED device itself, we have a basic mode switch. This switch between the modes. And we have a sensor mode switch. This is the second button on it to switch to the sensor mode. We have a charging indicator. We have a COB bulb set. It's a pair of it. We have sensor receiver, 2 of them, and an XPG bulb. We have a micro USB charging port to reload the internal battery. We don't look direct light into the people's eyes. This strong light will cause damage to the eyes, especially the children's. We do not disassemble the product and so on. We do not soak or immerse it into water. It is a waterproof function to resist the rain and water splash, not deep diving. We keep it away from flammable materials while charging. This HLP01 headlamp should charge with a standard mobile phone charger or a 5-volt power bank. Any abbreviated non-standard charging might affect the battery using 5. Even safety accident. If we use the headlamp for a long time, it may be a little hotter, but it's LED technology, so it will be a little hotter because of the battery. Its main materials is aluminum and ABS, okay? But you can operate a long time with it. The product itself sounds HL minus PO1 headlamp. The charging port is a micro USB port. The charging time is up to 3 hours. The run time, it's depend on the specific use, of course. Basic lightning mode 7 hours. The sensor lightning mode 4 modes are available. The product size is 55 to 35 to 25 millimeter. It is ABS and PC materials. The bulb type is an XPG and a COB bulb system. We have a built-in polymer battery and the water level is IPX4. The net weight each unit is 55 grams. The charging indicator indicates 25, 50, 75 and 100%. We press the basic switch to adjust one of the 7 basic lighting modes. We press the sensor switch to adjust the 4 sensor lighting modes. We press and hold the basic switch for 3 seconds at any mode to turn off the light directly. You see? Easy peasy, eh? The charging indicator gives us information. While charging, the indicator lights will flash. When fully charged, the indicator lights will stop flashing. The charging status is 25, 50, 75, and 100%. The charging time 3 up to 4 hours. The headlamp should charge with a standard mobile phone charger or a 5-volt power supply. We can choose from a variety of charging methods, such as a laptop charging plug, a charging treasure, a car charger, and so on. And this makes it so multiple to use. And the hands-free operation is a really good thing because you can work with your hands and you can see what is in front of us. That's possible in cheap way with a HyperDolphin Rechargeable LED headlamp with 5 light modes. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.